When you hire a contractor, you want to make sure you use a contractor that's going to do things right. So this roof has ridge vent, but in the attic, you can clearly see they never cut the ridge opened. Unless they think that that 1/4 inch gap is going to vent. It gets a little bit bigger and then back to small. Hell, they got a bigger gap in between two pieces of OSB decking than they do the ridge vent. And then down here, you can see there's a big old hump in the roof on the outside. Look at the big gap they got in between the decking and the truss. And then that truss is high, and look what they did. These two cross members here, they just threw in and nailed up high to hold and support it, but yet it's not supported on the actual truss or rafter. That's what you get when you don't use a reputable company. You don't do your background checks on them or check on the company or make sure they're legitimate. More importantly, when they cause these problems, they'll come back to fix it. They did put new decking down, just didn't do a good job.